It's not a talent. She can't do it.
Pop the package up here. Oh!
Nicely. Nicely does it. Good boys.
Oh, no, 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 no.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Kalian anjir. Biko, Biko. Kucing Biko dong. Wah, gede banget. Wah, Biko, Biko, tangkap Biko. Biko. Biko, Biko. Tangkap dia Biko.
Ayo lah.
Okay, we're gonna try this egg thing. Cheers to me winning.
Yeah, good luck with that. Woo! Sore loser.
Who is that? My husband. We just got married today. I married a clown once too. You can stop.
How did it get inside? It's gonna be right there.
Awful.
Yeah, it's not there.
Oh, there's a spider in my drink. There's a spider in my drink.
Do you hear them? They're all in here.
You're pushing it, little man.
Well, it's a lot to push.
Oh.
I'm the man of this house. Oh, shit.
What is everyone wearing? I thought you said the formal draft.
I said football draft.
Oh, fuck.
Are you ready? You okay? They have like 3 different like action. One, heading the dog. I do this and look like head the dog, and then I make it look like underwear.
Set the hook on this jar.
I'm a bumblebee. I'm a bumblebee.
Your M&M's good?
It'd probably be this window cat perch. That's gotta be 50 plus pounds of fat lard. Oh! No, I did not just...
You want a cookie? Come on. Oh, there you go. Come on, come get your cookie. Come get your cookie. Come on. Come get your cookie.
يا عم اتفقنا.
Over here thinking about it.
Okay, I'm delivering pizzas.
This is extremely impressive.
Tell me you got that on video.
Are you kidding me?
End of song. On your trend hot, baby.
Dès le départ, Jean-Luc Bourrin n'était pas gâté par la nature, un nom à la con, une gueule de paf et une intelligence tout juste normale. Des parents cons à bouffer du foin, une adolescence merdique dans un bled pourri à faire l'imbécile en 103 sports, une seule gonzesse.
You bitch!
Gotta feel good for him to lift that trophy. Smiles around for UST.
Adaption, of course, coming in as well. Oh, damn! It's okay.
What up, everyone? Check it out. I want to start this day by cutting through here. Trying to force my way through here. There's one in the bike lane. Why are you in the bike lane? Excuse me.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Shut your ass up.
Where are you going? You have nowhere else to be. Relax.
I'm tired!
TV,
Of what?